Good morning. I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology educational content creator. Now's content for B.Sc Zoology Honors, M.Sc Zoology, CUET PG and CSINet Life Sciences students. Paper Non-Chordates and Invertebrate Zoology, Unit Annelids, and topic is General Characteristic of Annelid. Introduction. The worm-like animal phyla are coelomate protostome belonging to subgroup Lophotrochozoa. They develop by spiral mosaic cleavage, form mesoderm from derivatives of the 4D cell, make a coelom by cytosole and share a trochophore as the ancestral larval form. Next, general characteristics of Annelidum. First, body shape. Unique annelid, head and paired epidermal state present, lost in leeches, parapodia present in the ancestral conditions, habited, marine, freshwater and terrestrial, parasitic condition, most are free-living, some symbiotic, some ectoparasitic. Symmetry, body bilaterally symmetrical, metameric, often with distinct head. Germ layer, their triploblastic body, Coelom. Coelom well developed and divided by septa, except in leeches, coelomic fluid function as hydrostatic skeleton. Next, epithelium. Epithelium secretes outer transparent moist cuticle. Next, digestive system. Digestive system complete and not segmentally arranged. Body wall with outer circular and inner longitudinal muscle layers. Nervous system with a double ventral nerve cord and a pair of ganglia with lateral nerves in each segment. Brain, a pair of dorsal cerebral ganglia with connectives to ventral nerve cords. Next, sensory system of tactile organs, taste buds, statocyst, and photoreceptor cells and eyes with lenses. Specialization of head region into differentiated organs such as tentacles, pulse, and eye spots of polygates. Next, reproduction. Asexual reproduction by fission and fragmentation capable of complete regeneration. Hermaphroditism. Hermaphroditic or separate sexes larvae, if present, are trochophore type. Asexual reproduction by budding in some spiral cleavage and mosaic development. Excretory system typically a pair of nephridia for each segment. If nephridia removes waste from blood as well as from coelom. Respiratory system. Respiratory gas exchange through skin, gills or parapodia. Circulatory system closed with muscular body vessels and aortic arches, that is HERS, for pumping blood and segmentally arranged. Respiratory pigment, that is hemoglobin, hemerythrin or chlorochlorine, often present. Amoebocytes in blood plasma present. Next, classification of the phylum Annelida. According to Rupert and Warnes 1994, phylum Annelida consists three classes, that is Polychaeta, Oligochaeta and Hirudinea. Characteristics of Polychaeta. Segmentation and morphology. The body is divided into three parts, head, body and tail, with prominent segmentation often appearing ragged due to bristles. Parapodia and seta. They feature pairs of fleshy parapodia used for movement and respiration packed with chitinous seta for gripping or defense. Head structure. The head, that is prostomium, is developed featuring simple to complex eye, sensory tentacles and pulse along with nuchal organs, that is chemoreceptor. Ecological types divided into Erantria and Sedentaria. Deep dweller may have feathery gills or for filtered feeding. Next, reproduction and development. Sexes are usually separate with simple gonads. Fertilization is typically external, resulting in a larval stage known as trochophore larva. Habitat primarily marine. They exist at all depth from tidal zone to hydrothermal vents, size ranging from less than 1 millimeter up to 3 meters in length. Next, oligochaeta characteristics, body structure. First segment is cylindrical bodies ranging from millimeters to over 10 feet. They lack a distinct head, eyes, or antenna. Locomotion, lack limbs moving through the peristaltic waves of contraction and relaxation of longitudinal and circular muscles aided by anchoring seta. Respiration and circulation, no specialized respiratory system. They breathe through the moist skin. They have a closed circulatory system, often with hemoglobin in the blood. Reproduction, simultaneous hermaphrodites but cross-fertilized. They develop direct from cocoon, no larval stage present. Habitat and feeding primarily terrestrial or freshwater, most are detrivores consuming decaying organic matter. Next, anatomy causes the coelom used as a hydrostatic skeleton and a digestive system with a pharynx, crop, and kidney. Next, characteristics of Hirudinaria. Body structure elongated and metamerically segmented into exactly 33 somites with the body divided into 6 regions: cephalic, precitellar, cetellar, and middle caudal and posterior sucker. Annually, each segment is subdivided externally into smaller ring called annuli, typically 5 annuli per segment, totaling 109 in the body. Suckers possesses 2 suckers, an anterior sucker that is ventral overall feeding and a posterior sucker that is circular for adhesion. Coloration. Dorsal surface is generally olive green while the ventral surface is orange yellow or orange red. Sensory organs. 5 pairs of eyes are located on the dorsal surface of the first 5 segment. Habitat. Freshwater environment like ponds, tanks, and slow-running streams. Diet. Sanguivores of cattle, fishes, frogs, and sometimes humans. Locomotion moves via looping or swimming. Reproduction, hermaphrodites have both male and female organs. Coelom. The true coelom is reduced and filled with specialized botryoidal tissue, forming a hemocoelomic system. Expression occurs through 17 pairs of nephridia arranged segmentally from the 6th to 22nd segment. Now the topic has ended. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima for all video of the B.Sc Zoology Honors, M.Sc Zoology and CSNet Life Sciences and Biology for class 9 to 12 classes. Thank you everyone.